An infrared thermometer is a great tool for measuring the temperature of objects without risking burning your fingers and hands. They measure the temperature of your oven, the outside of the meat you're cooking, or even the charcoal in your grill or smoker all quickly and safely. There are many products available to choose infrared thermometer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Edacity infrared thermometers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Tiometer T15O. This infrared thermometer has a huge temperature range, from -58 to 2,732 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it is accurate within 2% of the actual temperature, so you get nearly perfect measurements every time, no matter what you're aiming this unit at. These details also allow you to use this thermometer for almost anything, including barbecues, pizza ovens, furnaces, forges, high-end boilers, and even kilns. There are a bunch of great features as well, including the large LCD screen with a backlight for dark areas, the dual lasers that give you superior targeting at a huge distance to spot ratio of 30:1, and the flashlight to see exactly what you're aiming the thermometer. You can also adjust the emissivity for even better accuracy, depending on the materials you're testing. One unique feature included with this infrared thermometer is the alarm function. This allows you to set a minimum, maximum, or average value for specific objects. If you test them and the thermometer records a temperature that is out of this range, an alarm will sound. This way, you'll know if something isn't at the temperature it's supposed to be at as soon as possible. Number 2. Sovacat infrared thermometer. If you need a cooking thermometer, then you should check out this product. It comes with the infrared feature, and as a bonus, the manufacturer has included a meat thermometer. Therefore, you are ready to handle all your cooking without any problem. One of the best things about this unit is the ease of use. During testing, we observed that the trigger is pretty simple to activate and it gives accurate measurements. It has a really fast response time of 500 milliseconds and gives a value within 2% of the real temperature. The Sovacat infrared thermometer also comes with a bright display screen that sports backlighting for use in low light conditions. Durability is key, and Sovacat infrared thermometer comes with a sturdy build that will last for long. It is made from ABS plastic and has a comfortable grip, even if you have delicate hands. Number 3. Best thermometer with K-type probe. The best infrared thermometer gun is easy to use and has some great features that make them well worth the price, even if its price tag is a bit higher than expected. The Klein Tools IR10 costs almost $100, but has those little extras that will make you glad you spent a bit more of your hard-earned dough. First of all, like other infrared thermometers, this one measures the surface temperature using IR emission. It is unique, though, since it also includes a K-type probe and a jack on the top of the gun that allows you to measure bulk temperatures of liquid, gas, or air as well. There are dual targeting lasers that give you a more accurate measurement of the area you're aiming at. Plus, it has a distance to spot ratio of 20:1, so you don't need to be right up against the object you're testing. Both the IR and the K-type probe have the same measurement range of -40 to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit for added convenience. Number 4. Mason Laser Infrared Thermometer. Getting the best cheap infrared thermometer might mean losing some of the features the more expensive models have to offer. But it doesn't necessarily mean you're getting a lousy product. The Mason Laser Infrared Thermometer comes with a budget-friendly price tag, plus is easy to use and as accurate as some of the pricier infrared thermometers on the market. This unit has a decent temperature range of -58 to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. It is accurate within 1.5 degrees, with a distance to spot ratio of about 12:1. Though the emissivity is set at 0.95, it is still a great thermometer to use when cooking, barbecuing, checking your fridge temperature, or even doing some auto maintenance out in your garage or on the road. There are 3 simple buttons located below the LCD screen. One is used to activate the backlighting, one is for the laser, and the last is for choosing either Celsius or Fahrenheit. The screen displays the temperature, the laser sign, and the hold feature, so you always know exactly what is on or off as well as the temperature of the object you're measuring. Number 5. Best Laser Infrared Thermometer. The best infrared laser thermometer needs to be as accurate as possible. The Estinc infrared thermometer takes this into account, adding 12 built-in laser pointers to maximize the distance to spot ratio to 12:1, so you always know exactly what you're aiming at. It also takes only 0.5 seconds for it to measure the temperature, so there is no standing around waiting for temperature readings to show up on the display. The display itself is a large LCD screen with backlighting that lets you see the screen when working in dim areas. You can adjust the settings as needed, altering the emissivity or choosing between Celsius and Fahrenheit, both of which show up on the display. You can also set a temperature range for a particular surface, and when it reaches or exceeds that temperature, the display will turn red. The buttons below the screen are easy to use, with a mode button in the middle and side buttons that adjust your settings as needed or turn on or off the backlighting and laser. There is a trigger at the front of the infrared thermometer gun that activates it. It also includes an auto shut-off, though this takes 25 seconds to kick in, so it isn't the most energy-efficient feature. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching, have a good day.